Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am still trying to figure out my new setup because I changed some things around. So hopefully this looks okay after I edit it. But super excited about today's video because I'm finally back doing a makeup tutorial. It's been a hot minute, but I'm really excited. Today I'm going to be recreating this butterfly look that I saw on TikTok. I'll definitely leave her information down below for you guys to check out. So let's just go right ahead and get into the video. So I'm going to be starting off with priming my lids. Of course I'm using Tarte Shape Tape. And I need a mirror. Hope I'm in focus. Alright, we're going to jump straight into eyeshadow using the Morphe 35B. So I'm going to go ahead and take the Morphe E17. It's kind of a larger pencil brush. So going in with that orange shade, I'm going to go right into the crease area. I'm just going to keep packing that on until I get the color payoff that I want. Next I'm going to go in with that lighter orange shade and bring that into the inner corner. This is more of like a peachy orange. And I'm going to use that to blend out the edge here. I don't know if you can see that. It's also like 100 degrees in my room because it's so hot in LA. Now that spring is coming around and I have to have my window closed because it's way too loud if I have my window open. I have my fan on right now, so hopefully, crossing my fingers, you guys can't hear my fan, but it's not even on the highest setting because then it would be even louder. But you know what? It's fine. Just gonna try not to sweat off my makeup as I'm doing it. Alright, next I'm gonna go in with that bright yellow shade. And we're gonna go in up here. Pack that on and blend it out. Slightly blend out that yellow up here. I haven't filmed a video in so long, so I really hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, next I'm going to go with this purple magenta shade right here. And this is all using the same brush, okay? So we're going to pack that on the outer corner here. Go a little bit into that crease area to start to blend that together. And wing that out. Then I'm going to go in with the darker purple shade and just go right over top of that. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and cut my crease. So putting some Tarte Shape Tape on the back of my hand, very little bit. Grab a flat brush here, pick some of that product up, and carve this out. I feel like this step really isn't even super necessary because I used that pencil type brush. I was able to get a really clean crease line. That just makes it so I'm not wasting eyeshadow. I don't understand when people put the eyeshadow all over their lid and into their crease and then cut their crease. I just feel like that wastes eyeshadow and it makes it harder to get a clean base for the cut crease. So slightly cutting it here just to clean that up. It looks like she goes in with a very light pink. So I'm just gonna take that light pink from the Morphe shade here. And I'm gonna go ahead and just take a flat eyeshadow brush, set that so that the concealer does not crease. We're gonna pat that on. So taking that orange shade, I'm going to just make a diagonal connecting to that purple. I really want a little more pop on the lid, so I'm going to go with the Anastasia Moonchild Glow Kit. So I'm going to take Pink Heart right here, taking that same brush here, using the other side so I don't mix the orange. I'm going to pick up that Pink Heart and press that onto the lid here where we put the pink. Yes, I love that. Give it a little glow. Very subtle. So for the bottom lash line, I'm going to take a smaller pencil brush. I'm going to go with the Morphe E18. And we're basically going to do the same thing we did on the top to the bottom. So taking that yellow shade, I'm going to start in this intersection here. With orange. Taking the purple, I'm going to go ahead and stamp that on. Kind of drag it down a little bit, because this is what's going to create that bottom wing. You want to blend it with that orange and to the top wing. Kind of create a pink shadow here using that lighter purple magenta. Now time for the hard part. We're going to do black liner. I'm going to use the NYX matte liner, and I'm actually going to use the Morphe M250-0 liner brush. How does she do it? It's so precise. She like really gets that flick of the wing there. For some reason this eyeliner is drying very quickly, so it's making it very hard to get a really black line here. I'm going to try to make a thinner line more towards my crease. Okay, we're just going to leave that. I'm going to move on to the bottom here. Okay, so I don't know when my camera turned off, but it's taking me a while to do this butterfly wings, so that's kind of how it looks right now. I'm going to do the other eye off camera and then go ahead and finish the details of the wing. So I finished the wing liner off camera. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the details, taking this Urban Decay white liner, and I'm going to go ahead and just put some on the end of a bobby pin to make the dots along the liner. We'll see how this goes. I don't don't know how she got those dots so small. But you know what? I'm trying my best. This is also drying very fast. If I use the liner brush to make dots. Guess that works too. It's kind of easier than the bobby pin. I'm gonna do a little I'm gonna go along my waterline. And then we'll set that with white eyeshadow. And I'm going to take a liner brush here, go in with the white shadow, just to really set that in place. To finish off the butterfly wing here, I'm going to take that liner. I'm going to finish my face off camera and then finish off the lashes and lips. Be right back. Okay, so I finished my face base. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is kind of finish off my face with a lot of colorful blush. We're going to take that pink and go right around here with a large Morphe M504. Same thing for here, kind of create a shadow effect. Then we're going to take that orange, do the same thing. Kind of just outline the liner. We're going to take that yellow, lightly blend that as well. Then I'm going to take a blush brush, go in with the Becca Flower Child. And take that on the cheeks and up. Then what I'm going to do is go back in with that brush that we were just using. Take the orange and run that across my nose. And pull that into the blush. Then take the yellow and go right over top. Same for right on the tip of the nose here. Just mix the orange and the yellow. Just like that. We're going to take that blush with nothing added and really just blend the nose area out. So I'm going to set my face. Then go in with that pink heart highlighter from Anastasia Moonchild palette. And we're going to go right on top of the cheeks here and bring that up. Do you see that? Oh yeah. That's what I like to see in a highlighter. Oh, so good. So good, so good. Just blend that up. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. I look a little crazy, but you know, it's fine. The blush is gonna fade a bit, so it'll be fine by the end of this look. That's why I really packed it on there. It's a little sweaty there. Lastly, some lips. Let's finish it off. To outline my lips, I'm going to take this Bite lip in glaze. I'm not sure. There we go. I wish it had a little sharpener, but you know, it's fine. This is so easy to apply. I love these things. So I'm just going to outline and then blend in with my finger. And then I'm going to take this gloss by Buxom. This is in White Russian. Then I'm also going to blend that in with my finger. You know what? We're going to put a little highlight on the Cupid's bow. Why not? Whatever's left over on the brush, I'm just going to add my Cupid's bow and my nose. A little up here. And lastly, lashes. I'll go ahead and put mascara on my bottom lashes. This is the Falsies Push Up Angel by Maybelline. Love Maybelline mascaras. Maybelline mascaras last forever and they like never, oh shoot, they like never dry out, which I love. Okay, for lashes, I'm going to be using the House by Lashes in Your Fairy Lights. These are one of my favorites. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the lash glue right onto my lid. This is so much easier than applying it to your lash. When you do it this way, just be careful not to apply it on your actual lashes, because then it's going to be hard to take the glue off of your lashes and the color will stick to the lash glue. So like this orange I have on and purple will stick to the lash glue, and then it'll be hard to take it completely off when I take my makeup off. So it might just stain your eyes a little bit, but it's not really a big deal. And I find it keeps my lashes on way longer doing it this way. Okay, to make sure the lashes blend into my natural lashes, I'm going to go in with this Super Volume Curl Mascara 24 Hours. This is by Rimmel. I'm going to take that and put a light coat on my natural lashes to just blend those in. And then I'm going to take a flat angled brush. This is the Morphe M432. I'm just going with some black shadow on my upper waterline. This is really just going to blend the lashes. It makes the biggest difference doing this. I can never get an actual black liner pencil in there. I don't know what it is, I just really can't do it. So I just use black eyeshadow, works just as well. It doesn't last as long, but that's totally fine because I literally am not going anywhere, especially since we're in quarantine. So I'm just gonna take this right off after this video, but it's fine. Yeah, I really like how this turned out. I am finally done. That took a long time. But yeah, so excited, looks so good. Alright you guys, well that completes this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'm super excited to try out more fun looks like this. I love doing these kinds of looks. Yeah, follow me on social media. I'll put that all down below, links and everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
3, 2, 1, go!